engine cover fits seamlessly.
It's beautiful work. Look at the corrosion on this frame rail here.
It's extensive. We'll need to fabricate a whole new section.
Look at this perforation here. The structural integrity is compromised.
Wow. It's going to take months just to fabricate these tubes.
The side impact zone is completely compromised.
Yeah. And the firewall near the pedal box. We need to reinforce that area as well. So the assessment is complete, the engine is seized, and the electrics are shot.
Yes, it needs everything, but it's worth saving. Let's move to phase 2.
Okay, easy now. It's really warped.
Got it. The underside is worse than I thought.
Look at the bore scope feed right here. The corrosion has spread deep into the cavity.
It's worse than we thought. We'll need to fabricate a new section entirely. Okay, easy now. Lowering the left side slowly.
Got it. Watch the perforated pipes. It's almost clear.
Look at this corrosion. The ball joint is completely seized. As you can see, the rear subframe is completely compromised. We're missing critical load paths here and here.
It's worse than we thought. We'll have to fabricate these sections entirely. Looks solid. Check the alignment on this side.
Perfect, just like the original spec.
The alignment is perfect here.
Sure. Yes, that should cure nicely. We'll check it in the morning. See this edge here? It's almost 2 millimeters proud. Yes, I've marked it. We'll need to work that down before the next coat.
The door gap on the passenger side is still slightly off.
Yes, we need another millimeter adjustment before primer.
That joint looks good, perfectly sealed. Okay, moving to the next section. Check the diagonal measurements on the space frame here. Consistent, it's perfectly uniform, just like the factory specs. Look at that consistency. Absolutely perfect. Yeah.
It's exactly what we wanted. The surface texture is spot on.
Hold it right there. Let's check the gap at the A-pillar.
Looks flush. Are you happy with the alignment?
Yes, perfect. Let's move to the hood.
Front alignment looks perfect.
The engine cover fits seamlessly.
It's beautiful work.